one's for the lake days, the kind you never forget. Cooler packed in the back of the truck, pontoons shining and the weather's good luck. Sunrise dancing on the edge of the waves, whole crew smiling like we own the day. Mama setting up the fold-out chairs, kids running barefoot everywhere. Smoke rolling slow off the old barbecue, country station playing something we all knew. Somebody cracking open ice cold beer, granddad grinning ear to ear. Girls in bikinis jumping off the dock, summer moving fast, but the world feels stopped. We're making memories out here on the lake. Sunburned skin and a little heartbreak. Cold beer, tan lines, barefoot in the sand. Good friends laughing with a drink in their hand. Boat wakes rolling underneath the sky. Everybody chases summer nights and familiar faces. Yeah, this is what living feels like. This is what living feels like. Buddy hooked the rope to the back of the boat. Now he's skiing hard, trying not to let go. Cutting through the wake like a small town king. Everybody cheering every crazy swing. Drone flying low, catching all the fun. Golden reflections from the setting sun. Little snapshots nobody can replace. Tiny forever moments frozen in a frame. Paper plates stacked by the fire at night. Country songs echoing under porch lights. Mom's talking while the little kids sleep. Whole lake town moving to the same beat. Woo! One day these will just be pictures on a wall, but tonight we ain't thinking about that at all. We're just here together, living every second while the summer lasts forever. We're making memories out here on the lake. Sunburned skin and a little heartbreak. Cold beer, tan lines, barefoot in the sand. Good friends laughing with a drink in their hand. Bow waves rolling underneath the sky. Kids still swimming while the stars come alive. These are the moments everybody chases. Summer nights and familiar faces. Yeah, this is what living feels like. This is what living feels like. Another sunset fading on the water. Another summer nobody wants to end.